Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open GrabHub driver account. First, open your web browser and search for GrabHub driver. Click on driver.grabhub.com. On the page, scroll down to ready to hit the road. Select your state and city, then tap next. Enter your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Agree to the terms and condition, then tap apply. Next, download the GrabHub for Drivers app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in to complete your setup. And that's it. That's how to open GrabHub driver account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.